All right, not going to keep you longer today at all. We're going to do a chicken salad with pasta. I'm using some paprika, some veggies and some garlic. It's easy, it's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So we're going to start off by getting our chicken ready. So in there I've got one large chicken breast, no skin, no bone, and I've cut it into long strips. You can cut it a different way if you want. I've got a teaspoon of garlic, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, just over a teaspoon there of paprika, and about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm using paprika. This is a hot paprika. It's going to give it a nice spice. You can put something else on there: basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary. Go in any direction you want. Very simply, we're just going to give it a little mix. So I've put the chicken into a bit of a larger bowl. Let's get the salt and pepper in. Just a little bit of garlic, just a teaspoon there, or maybe 1 or 2 cloves. I'm going to get the olive oil in. That's just going to kind of bring it all together and help us when we cook it. And then I'm going for the paprika. That's a beautiful paprika. That is really lovely. I'm just going to give that a mix, and then we're going to go straight to the cooker. So look, there's my chicken just mixed up. Now I've got a skillet here, a frying pan or something like that, just a little small one. I'm on an above medium heat, and simply we're going to drop the chicken in. And for about 4 or 5 minutes, we're just going to fry it around. It will cook really nice and quickly because it's, you know, nice thin pieces. And then our chicken is done, ready for our salad. Okay, so as we do this little zoom, good chance for me to ask you to comment, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up there. Okay, beautiful. Off goes the heat. We're going to set that aside and get our salad together now. So the chicken is done. These are the veggies that I'm going to be putting in, and of course you can put in a different type of veg if you want, and the amounts. So I've got green onions there, or spring onions, tomato, bell pepper, cucumber, and corn. But get some grated carrot in there, some raw mushrooms, you know, anything you want really. And then here, look, there's our chicken obviously, and then pasta. I've got like 3 cups there of this penne. You can use a different type of pasta if you want, fusilli or something like that. So we've got a mixing bowl there, pasta's in. Let's add our lovely chicken, and then we're going to go a little bit of cucumber, some bell pepper. I'm using green, use some multicolored ones if you want. A little bit of corn, tomato, and I've got some green or spring onions, or even scallions. Okay, next up we're going to make a really simple dressing. So the dressing I'm going to do is just these 2 fellas. I'm just going to go olive oil and lemon juice. That's it. I'm going 2 to 1, so 2 parts of olive oil to 1 part of lemon. And there is, I think that would be about 4 tablespoons, and that will be 2. Now, if you want, you can get a fresh herb in there or something, like some cilantro, parsley, fresh mint. Again, anything you like in there. You can get some black or green olives in there. I'm done. I'm going to give that a mix. See you in a moment. Okay, and there you go. Really simple, beautiful, lovely garlic, paprika, pasta, chicken salad. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.